Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use new actions in Mysql module for game creator. Show you how to use scoreboard system. So we have the trigger on start actions. We are connecting to our database. So let's make some canvas. Yeah, here we are. Make some panel. Let's make it like this. So yeah, then key down. For example, let's make tab. Yes, and we will use these actions. Toggle active panel and new action, select to UI. Let's define connection variable. We have database like this: winner, score, lab, image. I will use winner and score for now. Yes, table name winners. We can use where here or not to use by click this checkbox, and order by score desk. So the top player with the highest score will be first record. And store selected to some string. Let's make this action first. Then parse string to UI. Select our data string, parent object where we want to parse it. Let's make this panel. So here is header config. You can define header color and text size. Let's make header like orange, text size 18. And if we select here two columns, we want to show two columns. So here is some config. Drag and drop prefab that is styled for header. This one, for example. Define header text. So it would be players. It's an object with text and players. So header prefab is more just image that has opacity like 0.5. Data type text and content prefab here. So it is like header, so you can drag content if you want some other settings, or drag and drop header prefab. And style in the second column header prefab like this, so it would be score and content prefab. Yeah. And when these actions run, it will select to UI, parse the string to our panel and set it active. Let's make panel inactive and hit run. So yeah, we have our values, but missing header. That's not a problem, so we must set opacity here for 1 and hit play again. Now we see our data from database like this. So if we will type here 10 and here 20, the first must be runner 2. Yes, because we when we select, we order by desk. Now let's say we want to show some image avatar. We can convert image to base64 format in our MySQL record here. So let's take this service and drag and drop here some avatar 1, copy image and paste into your database, and then let's take another avatar and copy image and paste here. So remember, you must delete some data. Our image code starts from here, so everything before base 64 and this symbol we need to delete. And here going to start and see this comma, delete it. This is correctly formatted image in base 64. Select 3 columns. So now I want first column to be avatar. Here is winner and score. So this is it. Now parse string to UI 3. So first I have first record its image. So I need to drag and drop text, set content to image, and content prefab would be content prefab. So that's all. Let's hit play and see what we have. We have correctly formatted base 64 image in our winners table and image column. So this code becomes an image in our Unity. Now let's see live example of this all stuff. I haven't used scene. It would be included in the demo scenes of hit play. We have robots that are moving to checkbox and cross them. Every checkbox is a score +1. So one player have avatar, another not. Yes.